You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this indigenous First Nation in British Columbia, nowadays British Columbia, Canada. If you want to learn more names of Native Americans and or Canadian places, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. Pronounced as Musqueam. Yes, Musqueam. Stress on that qui syllable. It's easy. Once you know, Musqueam, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.